Profile 3. Profile 1.
I think for this Stream Deck XL, and I use it for my truck sims, which are Euro Truck and American Truck, and they are a lifesaver, absolute lifesaver. Easy to use, easy to set up. Just click, click. They've got instructions, tutorial videos. Heaven. Made my life so much easier than a button box. This macro thing works really, really well. I'm very impressed with it. So I bought another one. The mini deck. I started off with the mini deck at first, and I was so impressed with what I could do with that, but there weren't enough buttons to control the indicators, the wipers, the lights, the horns, air horns, light horns, windows up and down, suspension up and down, cruise control. Couldn't do it all, so I had to buy the Super 32 one, but I'm doing the review for both, same as. Very, very, very impressed. You will not regret it. Admittedly, when they first came out, there were a lot of bugs with them and they couldn't get it right, but eventually they cracked the bug issue, and now everyone uses Stream Decks. They're not for streaming, they're just a macro box for tasks, and they are brilliant on game configurations. So if you're looking to buy some up out there, there's a couple of different brands out there, but Stream Deck is Elgato is the best, and that's the ones I would recommend. You will not regret it. I've had mine about 2 months, 3 months now. Cost me combined 350 quid, but it was the best £350 I've ever spent. Anyway, thank you.
So I've had this thing for about a month now, and the amount of usefulness this thing provides is insane. I paid like $250 for this. I don't regret any of that at all. You know, I regret purchasing that tiny bit. I regret purchasing, you know, $400 microphone, you know, $1,500 camera. My PC is like $3,000. Keyboard's like $250. Yeah, it's a pretty cheap mouse, but hey, whatever, okay? And I don't regret this at all. And here's why. Look, if I go inside of here, I have all of this stuff. All of this stuff. All this stuff. You know how much time it saves me when I stream? Even if you don't stream. Hell, if you make videos on YouTube, this is so worth it. Look at all these. These are all sound effects. If you use Premiere Pro, you could do a voiceover. You can click the voiceover button on your mouse and press one of these sound effects. It'll play through your microphone, which and then will play through Premiere, and then you save time from adding a sound effect to the track. And your workflow is less messy, and it's so much faster, and just overall, the convenience of this thing is so nice. And even when I'm not streaming, I find myself using it like on the desktop. You know, there's you can set up anything. This thing can pretty much do anything, and I'm pretty sure they're constantly still updating it. So this thing only gets more and more valuable, you know, every few months, and it's already so insane. The amount of stuff you can do with this is nuts. And even if you don't stream, even if you make videos, even if you just use your desktop, you can set up Spotify and stuff like that. And you can get the smaller one, but you know the value proposition for this thing's nuts. I mean, I use it every day. It's nuts. You should pick it up if you don't already have one. It is 100% worth it. I don't regret buying this thing at all, and yeah, it's just so good.